The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 75, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Hancock, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, Whitington, and the following marine locations: Reno Beach to Vermilion. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 75 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Hancock, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood and Wyandotte, and the following marine locations: Reno Beach to Vermilion. The current time is 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 97, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station KHB 97 from Bellevue on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz. On the latest weather map, a strong cold front will sweep east across the area overnight as low pressure travels from New Lake, Michigan to Quebec Line 1. High pressure will go from the upper
Okay, well, that took them too long to...
Strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 17 nautical miles west of North Pier to 21 nautical
What the hell?
miles west of North Cape, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach, Puddin Bay, and Kelly's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The forecast for the central lakeshore counties. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms.
What in Sam hell?
Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Wood County in northwestern Ohio until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bowling Green to 12 miles west of Suburb to near North Baltimore, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Fremont, Port Clinton, Oak Harbor, Sunburg, Genoa, Woodville, Elmore, Mobile, Pemberville, Lucky, Bradner, Wayne, Lindsay, Jerry City, Rocky Ridge, Helena, Stony Prairie, White Landing, and Muscuri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Wood. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 97 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Carroll County in east central Ohio, northeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 18 miles northwest of Cigar Creek to 7 miles north of Coshocton, or along the line from 22 miles northwest of Dover to 7 miles north of Coshocton.
What the fuck is this
moving
word in
northeast at 60
Pittsburgh?
miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia,
Oh,
Dover,
tornado possible.
Dorisville,
That's not
Carrollton,
fun.
Strasburg, Cigar Creek, Malvern, Bolivar, Baltic, Midvale, Mineral City, Warsaw, Barnhill, Delroy, Sharonsville, Roswell, Peril, Stone Creek, Zor, and Leesville. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing widespread damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. The urgent weather message.